Toyota 2GR FKS V6 engine available in the Toyota Tacoma utilizes independent intake and exhaust variable valve timing, as well as direct and port fuel injection to maximize engine performance and increase fuel efficiency. To further maximize efficiency, this engine is able to switch from auto cycle to an Atkinson cycle based on the demands being placed on the vehicle. During conditions in which the engine is not required to produce maximum power, it can operate using a more efficient Atkinson cycle simply by changing its valve timing. When more power is required, the engine seamlessly switches back to auto cycle. When the engine is using the Atkinson cycle, the intake valve is held open for an initial portion of the compression stroke. Since the piston is pushing up against open intake valves during this time, the engine is encountering less resistance and is able to operate more efficiently. The following side-by-side comparison will show auto cycle and Atkinson cycle operation in this application. At this point, the intake valve on the auto cycle is closed, but on the Atkinson cycle, it is still open, forcing some of the air back into the intake manifold and reducing compression ratio. The piston is forced down by the burning air-fuel mixture during the power stroke. This is the engine's expansion ratio. When the engine is operating in Atkinson cycle, some of the efficiency gain comes from the expansion ratio being greater than the compression ratio.